going to show you today is how to present a PowerPoint slideshow through meetings. So the way we're going to do this is quite simple. What we do first of all is we go to our PowerPoint presentation. So I'll find my presentation. Here it is, PowerPoint presentation. And what I need to do now is to start the slideshow. The way I start the slideshow is by hitting the function key F5. That starts a slideshow. Obviously, you can go to slideshow and start from the beginning and all that stuff on the ribbon, but that's the quickest way of just starting your slideshow. This is my slide number 1. So this is where I'm going to start my presentation. So what I now do is I go back to Teams. How do I go back to Teams? I've got to close, because now I'm in my slideshow. I can't go anywhere else, can I? Well, the way we can do that is by using a keyboard shortcut. And the keyboard shortcut is Alt and Tab. Very simple. So I'm going to hold the Alt key down with my thumb. And the point is that you keep the Alt key depressed all the time until you've decided which screen you want to go to. So I'll press the Alt key down and press and just tap on the Tab key. And that opens up the 6 windows that I've actually got open. I did have 5, but my bar of software has come up here. Better check that in a minute. So these are the 5 windows. And as you can see, it's moved me from the slideshow onto the PowerPoint program itself. And here's my Teams. So what I do is I hit the tab again, just tap it, and it goes to the next screen. And that's where I want to go to. So I now take my thumb off the keyboard, and here I am back in Teams. What I do is I go to my share. So I click on share and then select the PowerPoint window. Then I will go back to my PowerPoint window. That's what Alt-Tab does, by the way. If you're working between 2 windows, just do Alt-Tab and it goes back to Teams. Alt-Tab goes back to your window. So it automatically goes back one to the other. So here in my presentation, that's all I've got. That's all I can see. Now, the trick is here, and I'll wave my magic wand. Izzy wizzy, let's get busy. I right mouse click and get up the menu, and I select Show Presenter View. So if I click on Show Presenter View, that's what I can see. However, my audience in the team meetings, they're just seeing this screen. That's all they can see. But I want to have full functionality. So I can now do presenter view and I can see which slide is coming next. Here's the slide, ownership. So if I click onto that, it's actually not a new slide, same slide, but it's another bullet point that I use. You may notice that my bullet points don't look very much like PowerPoints, do they? That's because I try and make them a little bit more interesting. So that's it. The beauty of it is now that when I click Alt-Tab, I can actually go to any screen. Here's the screen I'm at when I'm recording. So hopefully the microphone's working now. You can see there's a picture of me. And if I Alt-Tab again, I can click onto the workshop. That's where I want to go. If I go too far, by the way, go on to videos, I can go back. I do that by holding the Shift key down and hitting the tab. So that takes me back one. Good, isn't it? I bet you're impressed. I was even. We'll get back to the workshop. Thanks for your time. Bye.